Now, I might mention this as we go on, but just from the start, any of the examples I give you of cases we've handled this year were not our planning clients. Because we've handled trust litigation for over 25 years, we get these from other firms. And we look to see, can we help that family? And our firm handles more of the probate disputes in Orange County probably than many other firms. So because of that expertise, we look at it differently. We step in to see if we can resolve it and have the family net more after the lawsuit and the fight. Unfortunately, we're used to going against the biggest firms in the state, not just in the county. I'm on speaking terms with some of the best, best in Los Angeles that are very aggressive. And you know what? When they represent a high visibility client or a high net worth client or a big dispute, they have absolutely no interest in resolution. You can imagine why. Because they're used to doing this. It's a 2 to 3 year window of income to the firm, and the families are angry enough at each other, they don't need to calm anybody down. And it's a win-win for both of them. Whoever's furious wants to see their lawyer go out there and be furious. So unfortunately, opposing counsel isn't always as amenable to getting resolution. However, we've been very successful at the trial court and the appellate court to be able to go ahead and say, it's on. Go ahead. Here's where you'll end up. So if we can get those family members together early or through mediation or any other resource, we do that so that at some point they wake up on the other side about cost-benefit analysis. They look and say, wait a minute, this is just costing too much. Now they understand the math is what we call it. So our goal is to take any dispute like that, get it to resolution, because guess what? We're the ones that have these they're not happy with the process, but have happy clients that say, thank you for what you did in salvaging that fight. And they come back in and do what? We make sure they plan to avoid it so they don't have the same thing happen when they die with their kids. They saw what went wrong, they could prevent it. So my purpose and our purpose in this conference is really to reward all of you that are planning for each other, for yourselves, and for the people you care about, to be aware of the pitfalls so that we can address them. So definitely make a note. If anything triggers your situation, make a note of it so we can address it in your appointment.